classes are open. Oh my god. So I guess we need to go through and write down our syllabus shit now. Almost afternoon. Wow. I slept in. I drank like half a bottle of wine last night, went to sleep by like 9, and slept until like 8:30. Yeah, it was a fun, chill night. I did none of the shit I wanted to do, which was that pile of stuff over there, that pile of stuff over there, sewing. But I am debating. No, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get dressed. I'm going to bring my computer and some earphones up to a study room, and I'm going to just edit until I'm done, and that is like 20 vlogs. I'm slightly exaggerating, but not really, because I have probably like a good 10 vlogs to edit. Oh. Yeah, I need to change that audio because I didn't realize that it's not like properly copyrighted. So none of my Montreal vlogs will ever be monetized, but that's okay. But yeah, so I guess I should start checking days off. Let's see. That is over. There is a party tonight, and I'm debating if I want to go, but then I have to pay for tickets, and I don't really want to do that. And nobody will go with me. Like, yeah, my like sorority sisters will also be there, but like, I want my friends Margot and Erin to go with me, and they won't. Guys, I love you guys, but you won't go to parties with me. Okay, I guess I gotta make my bed, get dressed, and go to the study room, and also make another iced coffee. It's like having a ponytail but without an elastic. One day I will learn how to do that properly, but honestly, I kind of like it. Okay, let's go to the study room. Cheers. I'm still here because I just had another idea of something I could do. What if I'll take all my stuff down to the art room and I can do a quick layer of stuff, of gesso, on all of my things that I want to paint and get like the quick little base coat done and ready to go. And as all that is drying, I'll chill down there with my laptop and do some editing. And then depending on how I feel, I'll actually like go in and start maybe painting. Which means I need to go get the art room key. I got the key. Alrighty. I guess. Gotta grab all my shit. can't even film this. This is way too much shit.
Why? Why? Is it always when I look at my absolute disgustingness that I see cute guys on my floor? Why?
I still haven't seen my floor crush. I think he might have moved out. Or he just, like, I don't even know. But I haven't seen him yet. I was gonna actually talk to him this year. Instead of just my random little highs when we see each other in the elevator. I'm in the art room and I just had an awesome idea because I want to do like art videos, right? So I'm going to be like filming art videos. So everything I'm painting and gessoing, I'm going to be filming. But my plan is to like, I'll do a before and an after in each of the videos. So what if I were to go get my Lazy Susan, like the spinny thingy, and bring it down here and then put it over there so I have like that wall in the plant as a background, and maybe I'll cover the little Lazy Susan with something just so it looks a little bit prettier, and then I'll do like the little before and have it spin around, and then I'll gesso it all, and then when I actually go to make the video painting it, I can just like start painting it and not have to worry about like whatever. And I have an idea for the block that I found from the free store yesterday. So I'm gonna paint each side a different color, and then anytime I want to do like project or something, but I can't decide what project, I will name each, like I will color coordinate each project and then just spin the block, and the block will decide what I do. And I can use that for my final, like the grad show project, because I wanted something else to decide what I do. Well, I still like make the choices and have control over like blah blah blah, but it's like up to fate what I choose. So I'll just roll the block, have everything color coordinated, and that's how it works. And I can have like a little paper or something that says like, these were the options, these are what the block chose for me. I think I need that block right now because I can't decide where to start. Maybe I'll start at the block and then use the block to decide what I do. This is all the stuff. So I got coasters, I got shells, so many shells. I'm thinking maybe I'll try and put holes in them if they don't already have holes, and maybe make some jewelry. But a lot of them I'm gonna paint and try and make them like jewelry dishes. Then I got all my pins that I'm going to gesso today. And then I got these little guys that I'm also going to gesso, but they're kind of, I think I'm gonna need something like rubbery to kind of get them to stick because I don't have sandpaper. But then I got the puzzle. This one I'm also gonna have to gesso everything, including under the puzzle. It's upside down. And then this is what I got in that one little baggie that also came with shells. I didn't realize that it was a coffin. And then this is a little shelf and it has like a little thing on the back. But I also got this, and then this is my block that I'm gonna paint. So yeah, and this is my huge thing of gesso that I'm hoping will be able to cover all of this, and I think I might order a new tub of gesso. Oh my god. I just walked up 18 flights of stairs because the elevators are out of service for an hour, and I was bringing shit from the art room. Oh, I might throw up. God, I'm so tired now. Yeah, apparently I was notified, like somebody came to the door and was like, hey, the elevators are gonna be out of service for like an hour. I was like, okay, great, because I was gonna be in my art room for like an hour and I wouldn't need to use the elevator. But then people kept using the elevator and I was like, oh, I thought it was out of service. It wasn't. Until I came up here to start bringing stuff up here, went downstairs to grab my shit, went to use the elevator, and it was out of service. So I walked up 18 flights of stairs. There's a thumping in my ear right now. Like, oh my god. Oh fuck. So the rest of my stuff, but you know what? I just took the garbage out and somebody used the elevator. Like, they clicked the button, it showed up, and they got in, and what the fuck? So why'd I walk up 18 flights of stairs? Ugh. But I'm tired and I'm making dinner, and I'll just go grab the rest of my stuff in like an hour or two, and hopefully you'll be back up and running by then. Fuck, I'm tired. So dinner, which is gonna be my what I make. I sauteed some green onion, green pepper, mushrooms, and bok choy with some garlic seasoning and onion seasoning and salt and pepper and blah blah blah, and then mix that all in with some vermicelli noodles. And that was really, really yummy. And now I'm tired. And I might throw up. So I'm gonna watch iCarly. Good morning. Okay, I had my phone plugged in. It's Monday. The week of classes. Classes start on Wednesday. And I'm iffy about it because I still haven't gotten one of my classes figured out. I'm enrolled into it, but I don't want to be enrolled into it. So I'm waiting to hear if I can get rid of it because apparently a class I took last year has been counted as an elective, not as a studio. Kind of annoying, but it's fine. We're gonna get it figured out. But today is kind of a reset day. I was doing it Sundays last year, but Mondays now work better for everyone to do like groceries and stuff, possibly depending on if I have to take the class that I do not want to take. If I can't get the SciArt class switched over to being like an actual studio and not just an elective, then I'm gonna have Monday classes. And it's always Monday morning. I don't want to do a Monday morning class. It's okay. But yeah. So, I have a couple of hours where I want to do some editing. Because I have so many videos. Yeah. I made an iced coffee this morning. I filled up my little iced coffee jug for more iced coffee later. And I got some strawberries. And I'm so excited because one of my sorority sisters moved into the building yesterday. Yay! Oh my god, that's gonna be fun. Also, we're holding a lot of our events in the building, so I literally do not have to leave. And I'm sorry, but that's like an introvert's dream. Apparently, I am going extremely slow this morning because I need to get dressed and I haven't even finished my coffee yet. Oh, what am I wearing? I'm gonna do these with I'm thinking this will be the fit today. I want to start wearing all my cute clothes and my cute tops that I can get to wear this summer while I was home. So, okay, never mind. I was feeling bloated. I start my period soon. So I'm just gonna go with this. And I'll save the other one for I'm not so bloated. I also need to start going back to the gym because I haven't been to the gym in a while. And I've 100% gained weight this week, this summer. Apparently I still have time, so I'm going to enjoy my iced coffee. That is so not cold enough. And I want to work on doing some editing, and eventually I've got to clean.
So excited for Girls' Day.
So the last of this vlog is literally just going to be touring the nature museum. So if you're not interested in seeing that, then this is the end and I will say goodbye, and I hope to see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!
combination of a horse and a kangaroo. The mammal gallery. That's so funny. I'm literally like just yellow.
It's so cold.
Oh my god. That's so funny. Just from like a bunch of people doing it.
I know.
Oh, the little baby. I don't care what the species. If it's a baby, it's cute.
We had a girls' day. And now we're done and I have to clean. Oh my god. I freaking tripped in a pothole this morning and I think I twisted my ankle because my ankle's kind of bruised. My knee is bruised. And it hurts so bad. Although I do kind of have myself to blame because A, I wasn't paying attention where I was walking, but B, after I hurt myself, I still proceeded to walk around Ottawa for like 4 hours without resting. So we got back here and I laid down and it just all came in, like throbbing, bruising. Yeah, so my ankle hurts so bad. But it's okay. I'm going to clean. And then I'm going to sit and not move for a while, cause ow.